GreenGeeks stands apart in the web hosting market with its unwavering commitment to eco-friendliness and sustainable practices. If minimizing your website's environmental impact is a priority, they're a top contender. But like any hosting provider, there are both advantages and drawbacks to consider. Pros: environmentally responsible. GreenGeeks goes the extra mile, purchasing 3 times the energy your website uses in the form of renewable energy credits. This effectively counteracts your carbon footprint. Solid performance. Customers generally report fast loading speeds and reliable uptime, backed by a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Unlimited resources, mostly. GreenGeeks shared hosting plans boast unlimited storage, bandwidth, and email accounts, allowing for flexibility. Beginner-friendly, they offer Classic cPanel for website management, a familiar interface for many users. Excellent support. GreenGeeks is known for responsive 24/7 customer support, available through live chat, email, and phone. Cons: pricey renewals. While introductory, prices are attractive, renewal fees see a significant increase. Some resource limitations. Though advertised as unlimited, there are fair use policies in place on shared plans that can cap resource-heavy websites. Limited data center locations. Primarily North American servers may impact loading speeds for websites with an international audience. No Windows hosting. If you require Windows-based hosting, you'll need to look at alternative providers. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.